Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Pitman Shorthand Instructor Book Dictation. Exercise number 93. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Chambers of commerce are to be found in the chief centers of the country. They take in hand the collection of information for both importers and exporters, and they gather in their files wonderful facts and figures dealing with matters of importance to their members. There are usually different sections under different chairmen for different trades such as the leather trade, and these sections naturally endeavor to centralize their efforts on the particular business in which their members are engaged. The chambers keep a watchful eye upon legislators so as to enter an early protest against any legislation likely to hinder international trade. One chamber took the rather unusual course of acting as trustees for debenture holders of property in a foreign country. The present writer is not aware of another instance of this wonderfully useful service by a chamber of commerce. Stop. Thank you.